to change name on Xbox app. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your name on your Xbox app. So first of all you need to do is just open your Xbox application in your smartphone, and after that you will be landed to the home page of the app. And here, in order to change your name, all you have to do is just click on the profile icon from the bottom right of your screen. And on this page, you just need to locate the settings icon from the top right and just tap on it. And now just scroll all the way down and you will see the option called support and feedbacks. So simply just locate the help topics section and just expand this. And now you are in the support section and you just need to choose a topic and you will see all these options. You just need to click on manage your account and profile. Just expand this one. And here you will see the option how you will change your Xbox gamer tag. So simply tap on it, and here you have ways to change your gamer tag, as you can see. And you have these three options. Either you can go ahead and change your gamer tag on your web browser, or you can do it on your Xbox console or Xbox 360. So in this case, we're gonna complete this process on our web. So just simply tap on it and just go to the official website while clicking on choose your new game tagger. So just tap on it again and just select the browser, and here just simply log into your account. And once you are logged into your account, and here you will see the option to add your new gamer tag. So just simply enter your new gamer tag that you want to change to. For example, I want to change my gamer tag to this particular name right here. And now all you have to do is just check the availability of this particular gamer tag. It also says that the gamer tag has to be up to 12 character including spaces, and it can't start with a number. So you need to follow this particular instruction. And now just simply click on check availability. As you can see that this particular gamer tag is available, and now all you have to do is just click on change gamer tag, and this way you will be able to change your name on your Xbox app. So that's how you do it. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.